Hi, I'm Dave. This video is one that is just an experiment on my part. I just had to get out into the boat, get the pole rigged up, and find out if I could actually get everything ready to go fishing. No fish caught in this video, nothing exciting really on it. I edited the heck out of it, and then even at that, I double speed, or not double speed, but I sped the thing up in a little because it was just getting so boring. So there's nothing exciting here. It's just the first time I've had the boat and the pole all rigged up, ready to go fishing once the fish started biting in our area. So that's all it is, nothing more. Just an experiment. But here it is. Enjoy. The fishing boat shares a slip with the steamboat. That's the steamer in the background. I don't move too fast, and so every action is an adventure, even getting off the boat to cast off the lines. There, that's done. Now to head out onto the bay. No, wait, not yet. Just one more line to cast off. Okay, now we're ready. Uh-oh. Well, that could have been bad. Watch out for the steamboat! Okay, now here we go. The whole idea of this exercise was to get the pole in the boat and see if it repeats the problems I had last season. I took a friend fishing and we got nothing. The reason? Every time we reeled in, the fishing line resembled a plate of spaghetti. So I wanted to see if that was going to happen again. And if I happened to catch a fish while I was experimenting, well, so much the better. So, rod in the pole holder, and off we go. Man, it was a beautiful day to be out on the water. Only problem is there were a number of boats out there, and every time one passes, they kick up a little wake. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Okay, that's enough for the experiment. Time to reel in and head back. Oh, and by the way, the line wasn't tangled as bad as in the past, but it was tangled. Back to the drawing board on that one. I'm not going to subject you to the entire return trip, so I've speeded this part of it up a little. That little motor hasn't seen this kind of speed ever. Okay, we're going to get this thing turned around. I like to dock starboard side too. So that means backing into the slip. There's no wind to speak of today, and so that means backing in is much simpler. Although the more astute among you might have just noticed that the video was edited at that point, removing the backing in process from the record. Tie it up, and we're done. Okay, that's it. Like I said, it isn't much, but it's something anyway. I'll tell you what, if you'll subscribe to my channel, I guarantee you will never know what is going to come up here next. Now, this was a little oddball. We have some things with a man cave. We have some things with an apartment that is taking the space in the man cave. We have some failed refrigerator repair. A little of everything. More fishing. Anyway, thanks for viewing this one, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for viewing. Goodbye.